What's cracking, everybody? Welcome to the last video of the decade for Endless Mike. So, I know, another travel vlogger doing a 2019 travel summary, bleh. But I'm gonna do it anyways. And then also I'm gonna give you a preview of what's coming up in 2020. So let's go ahead and get started.
Babe, my package ka.
Oh, whoa. Sorry guys, I did not expect this. So I just got a package and it looks like it's from YouTube. Wild. So, oh my god, I can't believe it. Guys, you know what I think this is? I think this is my first ever YouTube award. Should we do it? Should we turn this into an unboxing video? Alright. Whew, I'm getting emotional. Alright guys, so live here, unexpected, first unboxing. So this is what the inside looks like. It came with a little note. Let's see what it says here. Dear Endless Mike Cebu, nice try, buddy. Your 34 mediocre videos in 2019 have earned you the prestigious Wala Pa Award. Wala pa sikat ka, pero ganda naman mga vlog mo at magaling sa effort mo. Sana all maging sikat sa YouTube sa 2020. Good luck po. Kaya na. Sincerely, YouTube. Wow, I was not expecting this. I am honored. I had seen some videos of some awards when people reach 100,000 subscribers, but I didn't think there was one for, you know, just a lowly YouTuber like me. So, wow, let's check out what's inside. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Look at this medal, guys. The Wala Pa Award. Oh my god, this... I knew it. I knew all this hard work and dedication would pay off. So, oh my gosh, there's so many people I want to thank. Wow. First off, I need to thank Finn Snow. He was the first YouTuber to plug me a couple years ago when we both lived in Cebu. Let's check that out. No, I actually live here. My girlfriend's right over there, so we live in IT Park. Next, I have to thank Christian LeBlanc of Lost LeBlanc. He also threw me a plug at a meetup in Cebu, and I got to teach him Kilala. Let's check that out.
I want to introduce you to one of the guys who showed up tonight. This is Mike.
What's up, Mike? Everybody? How's it going?
And Mike has actually moved here to Mactan area, Cebu City, and you're a vlogger.
Correct, yeah.
I've been trying to do word of the day in every video. Today we have a word. It's...
So I just taught Christian Kilala. Ikaw ay kilala. That
Kilala.
means you are famous here in the Philippines.
Kilala is famous, manok is chicken, salamat is thank you.
Check me out, Michael Sorensen on YouTube. Appreciate it. Oh, wow, who's next? I gotta thank the homie, the one and only Will Dasovich. He also threw me a plug a couple weeks ago when I met him at MOA, as well as Daniel Marsh. Let's check that out.
Kumusta?
Okay lang po, ikaw?
Okay lang.
Ayos.
Vlogger ka pala.
Yeah.
Grabe, mas maganda yung setup mo sa akin.
I'm vlogging, you're vlogging, bro.
Setup right here, 80G. I like it. That's
Yeah,
what I use.
man, and I got the,
And you get the better lens.
Yeah.
That's a good lens,
That's
man.
what it's all about, the
What's
glass.
it, 2.8, right?
Yeah.
Good shit, man.
Yeah.
You can make, actually, that lens is all you need to use. You can get portraits and wide.
It's Daniel Marsh approved. Now if I could only edit like you, then I'll be all
thanks,
set,
man.
bro.
Yeah. I mean, again, it's
And who else? Mike and Nelly of the Making It Happen vlog. They were very kind to feature me in one of their vlogs after their speech at Greenbelt.
So we just met Mike as well.
Yes.
Awesome name. And Mike also has a YouTube channel vlogging about his life in the Philippines.
Yes, Philippines daily life, travel, here with my family, the realities of traveling with a 1-year-old baby. So any kinds of interesting content within Manila and also around the Philippines.
Oh, amazing. So what's your channel name?
So it's Michael Sorensen. You can also find me Facebook, Instagram, Endless Mike Cebu.
Okay, and which video are you the proudest of?
Proudest one as far as like the editing and the cohesive story is the one I just made for Undas, comparing and contrasting Halloween versus Undas. Second one would be the one where I got my tattoo from Apo Wang Od in Kalinga.
Wow, perfect.
Yeah,
so we will link one of your videos right here. No, here, the pap. I'll link it right there, so guys go check it out, show him some love, tell him you came over for making it happen.
And last but not least, I have to thank Icy for all of her support as I go on all of these travels to bring you the medyo quality travel content that you come to expect from the Endless Mike Cebu channel. So, wow, this is wild. So there's a couple more details on the box here that we're going to check out. It looks like some words of encouragement as well as some tips to become sikat in 2020. First off, nice try, sport. Thanks, I appreciate it. Next, this is a hot tip. Add foreigner to the video title. Pinaka-importante sa mga views, diba? Next up, more tears. Always a good idea. Tears and drama. Good for the vlog. Tapos, I've been thinking about this one. Try Filipino malls are insane. That would be a good one. I think that's an original idea. I'm gonna try that. Finally, add I never expected this to the thumbnail. Those are some good hot tips for 2020 if you want to be a vlogger and take it to the next level. Alright, I can't even keep a straight face with this. Let's get on to the real video. Check, 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 mic check, 1, 2, yo, yo, hey, 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 woo! Amazing, let's check it out, look at
Babe,
it.
tama na. Tapusin mo na yan. Mamamalingki pa tayo eh. Parang ka na lang YouTube. Wala namang nanonood. Tara na.
Ano?
Huwag ka na mag-YouTube. Walang nanonood sa YouTube mo.
Dahan-dahan lang, wait, let me, just dahan-dahan lang, wait lang, ha? Ano? Pakiulit niya.
Huwag ka na mag-YouTube. Walang nanonood sa YouTube mo.
Wala na YouTube, but
Wala na. Tara!
maybe I'm gonna be sikat sa 2020. I got my wala pa award. Ay, wow, oh my god, I think this is the new oh my god, this is so stupid. Wala pa sikat, sana all sikat soon sa 2020. Grabe naman.